So we're in Gran Canaria, as you can see, which is at the beach. We're going to take a little walk and see what's going on. We have got videos on most of the Canary Islands now. We've been to 3 Lanzarote, and this is our first time going to Gran Canaria. So let me know in the comments below if you've done the islands, which is your favourite. Have you done Gran Canaria? Have you done Tenerife? Have you done Lanzarote? We've yet to do Fuerteventura. We were hoping to do it on this trip, but we didn't actually get a chance to do it. So that is on the bucket list to do. So just in the distance, I'll show you. We've got a video where we're staying. We're just taking a walk, literally along, had some food in that restaurant there. So it's like a little wind block. Really feel like I've done a workout. Like I said, it's about 23, 24. Got the sand dunes, really pretty. Ocean a little bit too choppy for what I like in today. We are in January, but don't usually go swimming in January in the water unless it's like majorly hot. Probably usually until sort of March, April onwards.